What's up guys, Reggie P here. Would you like to make $200 daily just by typing? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how, so stay tuned.
This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can make $200 daily just by typing. So what I'm going to do is hop over here to my computer and show you the website that will pay you for typing. But first, I just want to say what's up to all my new viewers out there. Thank you for checking out my channel and thank you for watching this video. Now, if you like what you're seeing, what I'm talking about today, please hit that like button, and also please subscribe to this channel because I bring videos that will show you how to make money with apps, how to make money on YouTube, and how to make money on the internet. So please subscribe today. Also, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special offer that I'm giving away. So please watch this video to the very end. Without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to my computer and show you the website that will help you start making $200 daily just by typing. The website is called ClickWorker. That's clickworker.com. And on here, what you're going to be doing is creating and correcting text and participating in surveys and doing some data research. And it's free of charge to start. You get a flexible schedule, and of course you can use your computer or you can use it on the mobile phone. You can use it using with Google or Apple Play, so you can download it and work from your phone. And let's scroll down here and see what type of jobs they have. So they have creation of text, and they have data of websites, categorize data of websites, copy and editing. So you're copying and doing editing implications for job instructions. And you're proofreading. So you'll be proofreading spelling, grammar, style, expression, and implicating for job instructors. You're going to be doing web research. So you do web research for data and addresses of companies, restaurants, and other companies. And you're going to be doing surveys. You know all about the surveys. And they also got other things you can do. Mystery photographers. They say you can get paid weekly on that, just doing weekly shopping trips. And they also have app testing on here too. So this is how it works. Once you sign up, you just fill out your user profile, complete short assessments, get good results on ensure many jobs, process jobs online, and get paid weekly or monthly. And let's scroll down here and see what else they got on here. All right, as you can see, you can get paid weekly or monthly through PayPal. So that's a good thing. And let's look at one of the testimonies from a worker, click worker on here. He says here, Cody from USA says, at first he didn't expect that much from ClickWorker. However, I have only had access to UHRS for a short period of time and have already made over $150. Bingo! That's what I'm talking about. So he only did that in his spare time, making $150. Just think about if you did it on your full time, you can make more than that. You can make $200 daily doing this. So that's this site. That's how it works. And you're just going to be doing simple typing tasks. So if you want to learn more, just go ahead and click on clickworker.com, sign up, see if you want to do this, and start making that $200 daily. So that was the website that you can go to right now and start making $200 daily just by typing. So go ahead and sign up with clickworker.com. Check it out, see if it's to your liking. If it is, get to work doing those simple tasks and start making that $200 real fast. So that's all I have for today. For watching this video to the very end, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about how you can get the free offer. But first, let me ask you this. Do you have an app idea but don't know how to get it made? Well, with 6 years of experience creating apps, I can show you how. All you have to do is download this free ebook, which is called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding. Download that ebook. It's free of charge for you to have. What this ebook explains how you can create an app without any coding, and it also shows you how you can make money with apps, so you can start making that money while you sleep. So go ahead and click on the link below in the description, which is called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding, free ebook. Now let me tell you about how you can get this free offer that I've been talking about through the video. Alright, what you're going to do is go to this site. It's AppGrind Substation. Go to that site, and what you're going to do is subscribe first. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to see 3 free ebooks that you can download free of charge just for you. Now these ebooks show you how you can master Facebook ads, make money on YouTube, and make money anywhere on the internet. And these are very, very popular ebooks out there, and I'm giving them away to you free. So go ahead and go to that site. It's in the description below. Also, like I said, it says AppGrind Substation. Click on that link, go to that site, subscribe, and get those free gifts. One last thing I have. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I need your help, guys. What I'm going to do is, once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I am going to give away a free gift card, Amazon gift card, $25. And I'm also going to give away $25 cold hard cash. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it to a lucky subscriber that comments in my videos. So what I'm going to do is pick that comment from a subscriber, and if I like that comment, I'm going to go ahead and reward them with the $25 Amazon card and $25 cold cash via PayPal. So make sure you have PayPal also when you are commenting in my videos. But just help me to get to that 1,000 subscribers if I give away the Amazon card and the money. So please help me. Help me get to that 1,000 subscribers. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment below, share this video on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you smash that notification bell, because I will be bringing videos like this on a weekly and maybe daily basis. So thank you again for watching. That's all I have for today. And before I go, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real.
This is AppGrind